Astonishing animal skills that you won't believe exist. First, nicknamed the Jesus lizard, the basilisk lizard can literally run on water. It moves so fast that its feet create tiny air pockets to keep it afloat. Second, the mantis shrimp throws a punch at 50 miles per hour, generating heat as hot as the sun's surface. It's so powerful it can break glass aquariums. Third, geckos can walk on walls and even ceilings thanks to millions of microscopic hair-like structures on their feet, creating a natural sticky grip. Fourth, the only known fluorescent frog. Under UV light, the polka dot tree frog glows neon green. Scientists still aren't sure why. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to subscribe and help us reach 1,000 subscribers.